Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to add, edit and delete brand of product using this Dev Product Brand app via products. You can see here our module Dev Product Brand. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to inventory and see here this menu product brand, create new, add image. I want to add Balaji wafers and add here products. If you want to create new, so easily click on this button. I want to add masala wafer, add image. Let's save. See here this total products display here 1 because I here add only 1. And also see in Kanban view and display here in list view. Thank you.